Hey, I wanted to explain something. Like, when you go to fit these motors in the frames, alright, we will start out with the basic. This is for a 49, 60, 80cc, 2 strokes. YD100 would be 80cc. I guess the ones you call 80cc or 60cc, and then there's 50, which is 49.9cc, whatever. 2 strokes. So, what you do is you measure 9 inches and you measure 7.5 inches across. So you make a square. And if you measure over 3.5, and since you'll be at 7.5 at that one, you draw a line to the two, and you could cut it off right there, and that is the actual size of the motor. What happens is your carb sticks out 2 inches past this in this area. I put a line there, I don't remember why at the time. So what you do is from the top down you measure 6 inches. The top down over here you would measure 4 inches. You put a ruler from here to there and straight out 2 inches past. And that's where you'll end up. So if you put a ruler like that across those 2 marks and then measure from here to there 2 inches, and then you draw a line and draw a line to the 2 endpoints. And this will give you the area for a carburetor, like a YD100 manifold type deal, stuff like that. Okay, so that is 2-stroke. And then you have 4953cc 4-stroke, and you make a 10-inch by 10-inch square. And you measure down 4 inches and make a little mark there. And you measure over 6 inches. You make a mark here and run a ruler. And then you cut this off. So this is the area you will need to mount your engine correctly. Okay. Alright. Next one. Oh, and the other thing too about the 4953cc, the reason I do 10 inches is most of the time your spark plug and stuff hits up here on the frame. So that extra 1 inch gives you clearance. It's usually 9 by 10. So if you can get away with that, you could make one 9 tall, 10 wide. But I do that extra inch up here for the spark plug. Alright. This one, this is for 79 cc, 78.5cc 4-stroke. You measure 10 inches down. You measure 12.5 inches across. From that, you measure down 5 inches. You mark it here. You measure across 7 inches, mark it here, and you cut this off. And this will be facing towards the back. So that is how you measure a template for the bigger 4-strokes. So that is a 4-stroke. Big ones, these are the smaller ones, and this is your standard 2-stroke. But that's how you get an easy way to pick a frame when you're looking for one. Cut it out in cardboard, sit it in there, and then you see if it'll fit in the frame. And if it all fits in there and everything's good, pick it up. But alright, peace. I hope that helps someone.